Welcome to WebStyle Press. React allows us to write HTML in components by using JSX. JSX is a syntax extension to JavaScript. JSX expressions must have one parent element. In component return, we can write all the elements we need, but we are required to wrap it all with a div. If we have a lot of components in project, it results in bunch of unnecessary divs all over project, and that causes issues with accessibility and CSS styling. React has a solution for this as it offers a built-in fragment component. So this is our app. New file. New component. React function component. Save, import the component IMP. And here is that component. Okay. Element 1, element 2, save. Inspect element, and we have got a div. We want to eliminate this div. If we remove this div, it will create a problem. It will throw error. Removing parent div element will cause error. So we have imported React from React in this component. So we can do something like this. We can use React fragment instead of useless div in React. React.fragment. And now that div, that enclosing div or parent div is gone. That is because a React fragment does not render or outputs anything. Or better, we can use shorthand syntax of an empty element. That is this one. And now we don't even need this import React statement. We can use shorthand syntax of React fragment like this, or we can use long form of React fragment like this. React fragment or empty element tells React to render nothing as parent element. It is always better than having an additional div in each component. As your project grows in complexity and size, you will save a lot of headache using empty parent element. If we use React fragment long form, we can also use map method over it without using additional div. I have tutorial for it that I will link in description. So bottom line is eliminate parent divs and use React fragment by using import React, or just use its shorthand form to eliminate parent divs. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.